Today I'm making a cucumber detox for belly fat. So I'm just using one cucumber. So I'll slice them all in circle. I'm going to make two different types of detox for belly fat. So one is with cinnamon and the other one is lemon juice. So welcome to Daisy Brunch channel. Comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tips from Daisy Brunch Kitchen. So after cutting the whole of the cucumber, I'm going to put it in different cups. I have one cup here and the other cup is a glass cup. So I'm going to separate them on both cups. You can do this once in a week or twice in a week to detox the belly fat. So the other cup, I'm adding cinnamon to it. And on the other cup, I'm going to add lemon juice. So now I'm adding ginger in both of the cup. After adding ginger, I'm going to add lemon juice into the other cup that doesn't have cinnamon. So two different types of detox belly fats juice I'm making today. So I'm going to add rosemary on the other one that has cinnamon. So after adding the rosemary, I'll add some cloves into it. Add cloves into the one that has the cinnamon in it. Just 5 seeds of cloves, but if it's too harsh for you, you can use 2 seeds of cloves. So here, I'm going to add 2 cups of water on this glass cup, and on the other one, I'm going to add 2 cups of water on the same glass cup. So you have to let it sit for 1 hour. If you want it to be cold, chilled, you can put it inside the fridge. If you want it to be room temperature, you can keep it outside the counter and let it sit for 1 hour before you take it. So subscribe to my channel, follow me, comment on the comment section below, and we're going to respond to your questions and give you your right answer. So on this cup, this is the one that contains the cinnamon, rosemary, cloves, and water, and the cucumber. So it's good to go. For the other one is the one that has the lemon juice, ginger, and cucumber and water. So subscribe to my channel for more tips. Thank you.